What's up, guys? Suckers like here, back again with a new video. It's gonna be woodchuck challenge today. What's it called? Woodchuck. Chuck. Whatever that thing's called.
Woodwork.
Yeah, woodwork challenge. Sorry for the woodchuck. So woodwork challenge. Back playing with my cousin. We did a video. What's it called? Like yesterday, and it was about free kicks. So yeah, go like that video and subscribe to my channel. Go. Okay.
Wait. That is crossbow right away. Oh, you think you can hit crossbow before me? Oh!
But that doesn't count because you gotta like not let it bounce. So that was bullshit. That was bull.
You heard it from whatever his name is. A soccer's life. He missed.
Oh my God! Sorry if I was in the way, but that didn't hit. So I was like in the way. Not even like a cent.
Hey guys, back with another vid. Little Lou here. So I'm doing the woodwork challenge.
Right? He doesn't even have a channel. He's just imagining that in his brain.
Hey guys, back with another vid.
Oh!
He did not hit the post, just saying.
Just kidding. That wasn't post. I just tried to what's it called? I tried to I tried to like get him like scared.
Oh, you're in the way. You're gonna miss the view when I hit crossbar.
Oh, water bottles in here.
Flip it.
Oh, you want to do water bottle challenges after the
Guys, yes, bang it. Yo, where the other soccer ball at? Give me.
Where's it?
This kid is blind.
I didn't see that. Cause I was looking from over there.
Hey guys, back with another. Look, you know where it's gonna go? Over there, right there. See that how wacky is? Watch. Right there. Ah!
Oh, post anyway.
Never mind.
Post anyway. I got post, but I still didn't land it. Like it fell off first. Well, it fell, but then I what's it called? Tried to I tried to flip it. See that water bottle is
Yo, why would you do that?
Oh, what a goal! What a goal! I got scared. I'm not even going to tell him, but I really got scared. Oh, you heard me?
So guys,
I really got scared.
it's gonna go right there, right into the window. Watch. That how wacky is. It's gonna go right there into the window. See it right there. That how wacky is. It's probably gonna go all the way over there.
It's going to be my crossbow.
It's gonna go right there.
Oh, wait.
See, he's trash.
I scored a goal. Yeah. So yeah, just kidding. I actually didn't score a goal, but try to aim for that. Well, I already got this post. Yeah, I already got it. Oh, he tried to do up a 90. Nope.
He's gonna try and hit crossbar right now. He's gonna try and hit upper 90s. sleep right there.
Yeah.
You're getting that ball though.
Guys, he told you guys. He told you guys where he's hiding. I know that. Oh, brilliant. He went inside. Brilliant. Brilliant. Like my hiding spot. Post too. Does that count? Oh, I actually did it. That does count. Okay.
Wait, did you pick before?
Yeah.
Then look down.
That's bull. That's bull. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Wait,
Come on. I'll let you go twice then.
I don't think.
You want to go twice?
No!
You don't want to go twice. Imagine then right now he hits crossbar, then he gets mad. Oh, that counts.
I don't take losers.
After we're probably gonna do the volley challenge, whatever.
Oh!
He did not hit that, just saying. He didn't hit it. I'm sorry that if I was in the way, he didn't hit it.
Skills are real.
Wait.
The skills
Go.
are
Oh no!
so close. Look like.
He's gonna. Right there. Right there. It's gonna go right there. Well, he missed anyway.
Oh! Ah! Oh. Look at that curve. Look at the speed of the wrist. Oh, going.
As you guys see, he almost scored. Oh no! I tried to curve it. I actually tried to curve it. Oh no! As you guys can see, I blocked it, but he actually didn't.
You know I know where you went. Not that.
Did you hit it?
Yeah, I know you didn't. What is the french fries? What is the french fries? Or some hamburgers too?
we both. Oh yeah, you hit post. He hit post. No, I hit post. He hit crossbar.
Yeah, you should take it.
I'm gonna go right there. Oh, you missed.
Come on, mate! Oh, no! Believe in me! Nah, you saw that! That's how. Oh, we need the other post.
Guys, all I need is one post, alright? This thing is gonna go all the way over there. It's gonna go on the other side, watch.
Yes, let's go!
There we go.
Go. Yeah, he hit crossbar. Yeah. I'm the crossbar king. Oh! Well, I did. Right. Guys, I'm gonna buy his phone. But he just takes so unlucky.
So he's gonna get the other ball, so wait. Okay guys, it sounded like one of the balls popped, but I'm not really sure. Oh my god. I'm gonna go check on it.
Alright. We thought it was pop, but it's actually not.
Yeah. It's gonna go all the way over there. Ah.
I'm happy. I'm happy. Come on. Nah, chill. Come on, I always hit the pole. I never hit the pole. But I will. Guys, I'll do it. That's right. Yeah. Oh. Ah. I'm gonna do this play. Oh! I hit it!
He loses, alright. He loses. He's tight. He has to get the ball and he loses.
What happened? You daddy, they don't come and pick you up?
So guys, I won.
Yeah, it's the last shot he did. I don't think if you guys saw it, but like the other side moved right here, like skimmed right there, boom. Then it went like, oh, I got so tight. So that's gonna wrap up the video. Please subscribe and like my videos, and peace.
Bye, y'all.
We're gonna make a new video tomorrow, probably, right?
Yeah, probably. We'll probably make another video today, a gaming video. We're not really sure. Just make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Bye.